Okay, so when we're talking about the rib cage, we can see here on this fake model that we have these plastic pieces, and these are to approximate the costal cartilages. And that's because obviously the cartilage would disintegrate in the skeleton. And so if we take this away, we can see on our real guy that they've been replaced by this, I'm not sure what kind of material that is. And so that holds the skeleton together, obviously. So we have different sorts of ribs in the rib cage. We have ribs that are true, false, and floating. So the first 7 ribs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, are the true ribs. The true ribs connect directly to the sternum. Ribs 8, 9, and 10 are considered the false ribs. They connect to the costal cartilages of rib 7. Then we have ribs 11 and 12, which are also false ribs, but they have a special name called the floating ribs. And they're called floating ribs because they don't connect to anything. And if you sit up really tall, above your waistband, you can kind of feel some of your floating ribs down there. So we have 1 through 7, the true, 8, 9, and 10, the false, and then 11 and 12, the floating.